If your Minecraft Aternos server keeps going offline time and again, chances are there is something wrong with either Aternos or Mojang. Now to fix this issue, one of the first things that you should do is go ahead and check Aternos' server status. I'll link this website in the description below and you will be able to see if there is any problem going on with Aternos, which obviously makes sense, in which case your server will be offline. The next thing to do is to check Mojang server statuses. Now Mojang or Minecraft doesn't really have an official status page website, so I'm using this one. I'll link to this in the description below as well. And as you can see, there is a possible disruption on glitch. So even if your server is running properly, since Minecraft can't run at the moment because of whatever issues that we're facing, and that means you're likely going to run into problems with running your server. The next thing to do is to actually try and change your DNS address. How do we do that? Well, go ahead and press Windows key plus I to open up Windows settings. In here, click on Network and Internet, and then click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet based on what you're using. I'm using Ethernet, so I'll go with that. Now we'll scroll down and you will see DNS server assignment. Go ahead and click on Edit. Automatic, we're going to change this to manual, enable IPv4, and now you can enter your preferred DNS server. In my case, I'll just go with 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. So these are the free DNS addresses for Google's DNS, but you can use any other DNS address that you like. I'll leave some examples on the screen below. You can also just Google it and find these out. Once you're done, go ahead and save this and try reconnecting to Minecraft once again, this time with your new DNS address. And that's pretty much everything that you can do. You can try using a VPN to change your IP address and try and connect to your Minecraft server if you believe your IP address has been wrongfully blacklisted or something like that, but that can introduce lag and it may or may not work. So if your server is continuously going offline, chances are it's a issue from Minecraft or Aternos itself. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and if these videos don't work out as well for you, do consider becoming a member. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.